Hey guys, again I'm here. Today I'm going to be doing my first Watch Dogs video on this channel. Might keep it on, might not. It's just a little one-time thing. Maybe. Today I'm going to be showing you where the fastest and best vehicle in the whole of Watch Dogs is located in the game, I guess. So, what you're going to want to do is press the select button on Xbox 360, options on PS4, and the other one on the one. I'm using the one right now. Basically, what you're going to want to do is go here to this little map and put the waypoint right here. Drive there, and I'll see you when I'm there. Hey guys, we're back. Here's where you're gonna go. You're gonna want to go into this little complex area. It's like I don't know, maybe a mall or something with these 4 little buildings. If you're gonna want to go in the middle, this is building right here. This is where we are. Got whatever we got to take here. We're running inside. Apparently no one in here except for maybe a call sales representative. They're not needed. And yeah, so here's the fastest car. It's just sitting here. There's actually quite a few in this building. If you need to get it out, it's actually not that difficult. You could first of all just go through and or this is also on my side. Or you can do a little bit of creative, like this isn't all of the cars, there's a bunch of other ones in all the other dealerships, but there's one fastest one, here it is.